Booking in and finished items in Sage 200 Manufacturing compared to Sicon Works Order Processing. So within the legacy works orders, works order list, we're going to highlight the works order and select complete. We could part complete if we wish, but we're just going to fully complete, quantity of 2. It's automatically generated our batch number, quantity of 2, and OK. Select OK. So if we refresh our list, you can see it's gone to completed. The next stage to post the nominal postings and finally close off the works order is select close. You can select the close date. The shortfall here is we can only close one works order at a time. In Sicon you can select multiple and select close, or complete, it's a different terminology. Select OK. It's always going to give us this prompt regardless if there are sub-assemblies or not. Yes, we want to complete the close. So there's components with unconfirmed costs. We haven't got visibility of those. It's just telling us there is something on that works order we haven't recorded a cost for yet. Select OK, and we'll have to cancel out of there. Let's do the equivalent in Sicon Works Order Processing. So works order list. Double click into our works order. And we're going to book. That's the equivalent of complete in legacy manufacturing. We can change the quantity if we wish. We can even scrap a quantity regardless of if it's traceable or not. In Sage 200 you can only scrap traceable finished items. We can select the warehouse we're booking this into, we can select the bin location, we can also enter a production date. We can see the batch number it's provisioned, we could change those if we wish. But let's just go and save and book in our finished item. Down here we can see the booked transaction and we can see the cost of that booked transaction. Our works order status moves to booked. We can unbook if we wish, something that you can't do in Sage 200. We can unbook that finished item. Let's close out of there, and to complete our works order, which is the close, is if we go into works orders and complete works orders. If we just click on search, this will show all works orders that could be completed. We could select all, or we could select multiple, and then click on complete. Again, it's the equivalent of close in 200 manufacturing. If there were any unconfirmed lines, it would tell us what the unconfirmed lines were. It would tell us if a certain item was unconfirmed, so then you could go and then chase up the purchase invoice. Select save on the completion date, and we can see that's now been completed.